Happy Wednesday! This is Miss Baracus with you today, and I'm going to be reading you the story that it says, I don't want to be a frog. I don't want to be a frog. Why wouldn't you want to be a frog? You can hop all over the place. Over here we have an owl, looks like a cat, a pig, and a rabbit. And then down here we have the frog. I don't want to be a frog. This was written by Dev Petty and illustrated. The person that draws the pictures was Mike Bolt. I want to be a cat. You can't be a cat. Why not? Because you're a frog. I don't like being a frog. It's too wet. Well, you can't be a cat. I don't think cats like getting wet. Well, I want to be a rabbit. You can't be a rabbit. Why not? Look, I can hop. Sure, but where are your long ears? Besides, what's wrong with being a frog? I don't like being a frog. It's too slimy. That may be, but you can't be a rabbit. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens next. I want to be a pig. Can you imagine a frog being a pig? You can't be a pig. Why not? Most of all because you're a frog, but also because you don't have a curly tail or eat garbage. I can eat garbage. Everyone says that until they eat garbage, sorry, you can't be a pig. I want to be an owl. Of course you want to be an owl. Being an owl is the greatest thing ever. Boy, would you love being an owl. So, can I be an owl then? Wonder what animal you would like to be. No, of course not. You don't have wings. You don't look wise. You can't turn your head all the way around. You are a frog. What's wrong with being a frog anyways? Too much bug eating? I see. But still, no. Being an owl is for you. So now he's going to be an owl? Oh my. Why so glum? Glum means to be sad or down. I don't want to be a frog. What do you want to be then? Not a frog. I want to be a cat or a rabbit or a pig or an owl, something cute and warm. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I wonder what that secret's going to be. I love eating cats. I love eating rabbits and pigs and owls too. And I'm pretty hungry. I might just go gobble some up right now. That's terrible. It's who I am, but guess the one thing I never ever eat? What do you think it's going to be? Let's see. Badgers? Oh my goodness. 24 of them. That means 24. No, I eat badgers. Lots of badgers. Frogs? Bingo! Why don't you eat frogs? Because they are too wet and slimy and full of bugs. So, it's good to be a frog? He's asking that question. Do you think it would be better to be a frog than get eaten alive? Yep. I guess you can't fight nature. We are what we are. You are a fierce hunter. And you are a wet, slimy, bug-eating, very lucky frog. You should just be happy that you're not a fly. You know frogs eat flies, right? What is wrong with being a fly? Oh my goodness. Look at his dad is like, oh gosh, here we go again. And here we have our cat and our owl and our pig and our rabbit and our frog. You should just be happy with who you are, even if you don't want to be a frog. Have a great day.